Trying to decide whether to rent or buy a home in Japan? On the surface, both options have their pros and cons. But once you look a little closer at how things work in Japan specifically, the answer might be clearer than you think. Let's break it down. You've probably heard real estate experts say you should never buy your primary residence. Just rent and invest your money elsewhere, like in stocks or income-generating properties. That logic makes sense in some countries, where buying a home ties up a big chunk of your cash and mortgage rates are high. Renting can keep your money liquid and give you more flexibility. But Japan's different. Here, interest rates are incredibly low, often under 1%, and you can often buy a home with little or no down payment. That means the opportunity cost of buying is much lower than in other countries. In fact, your monthly mortgage payments might be lower than your rent. And while renting does give you flexibility, it comes with a cost. Rental prices in Japan can increase with inflation, and most renters pay a renewal fee every 2 years, usually about 1 month's rent. Over time, that adds up. Meanwhile, property prices in cities like Tokyo and Osaka have been rising steadily. We've seen clients wait too long to buy, only to find they've been priced out of the neighborhoods they wanted. Buying can actually increase your flexibility. You can live in the home, rent it out, or sell it and use the equity to upgrade or move. And if you sell your primary residence, capital gains up to 30 million yen are tax-free, a major advantage that doesn't apply to rental properties. So in Japan, buying your home can be a financially smart move. That said, there are good reasons to rent. If you're only planning to be in Japan for a few years, renting probably makes more sense. Banks here prefer to lend to long-term residents or those with permanent residency. If you're here short-term, loan conditions might not be as favorable. Renting is also a great option if your company covers your housing. In that case, buying a home might actually cost you more out of pocket. Let's look at some quick pros and cons. Renting. Lower upfront costs, easier to move, no maintenance headaches, but no equity, possible rent increases, and limited control over your space. Buying. You build equity with every mortgage payment. Monthly payments are stable. You can customize the space. And you benefit if property values go up. In Japan, homeownership also means low or zero down payment, ultra-low interest rates, and faster equity growth thanks to low borrowing costs. To help you out, we've built a rent versus buy calculator to help you see the numbers for yourself. How rent adds up over time versus how equity grows through ownership. Bottom line, renting offers short-term ease, but buying, especially in Japan's current environment, can offer real long-term financial benefits. Not sure what's right for you? That's where we come in. At Argentum Wealth, we specialize in helping the international community in Japan make smarter financial decisions, including around home ownership. We'll help you figure out if buying makes sense based on your visa status, income, future plans, and overall goals. And if it does, we'll walk you through everything, from finding the right property to negotiating, financing, and closing the deal. Ready to explore your options? Book a free consultation or check our monthly recommended listings to see what's available in the Tokyo market. Let's find out if buying a home in Japan is the right move for you.